Hopefully you're able to make the live reviews. I am here to help you do well. All right, quick overview of all of the great things available already on my YouTube channel, whether or not you are able to make the YouTube live. You're going to scroll down and you're going to see chemistry videos. Now you can use this arrow to move between them. What I suggest is you just click on this heading, chemistry videos. Okay, you're going to see this is literally, I've made 241 chemistry videos. I have 17 videos that are literally exam walkthroughs. So if I click view full playlist, it's going to show you these are the 8 most recent exams that I have a walkthrough of. So you can use those. I always recommend 3 to 5 minimum exams go through. You will be successful because you start to see patterns. If you look in the category of review, there are a whole lot more that aren't actually exam walkthroughs. Some are packets, some are just content. If you see this unit 1 through 4 chemistry review, these are very short topic specific videos that may be helpful for you if there's just something you have a question on. Other than that, they are arranged by unit. So you can open up a specific unit folder and find an answer to your question. Something else I would suggest, if you're trying to find a video that I made about a specific topic, do this. Search my Imagine Jenkins and then mole. And what you're going to do is pull up videos that I have made about that specific topic. So if I do electron, is going to do the same thing. Pull up videos I have made that have that word in the title of the video. Okay, so if I'm looking for potential energy, okay, so again, I can find that information here. It doesn't always pull up everything perfectly, but it might be a good start to get you into the right folder. Okay.